My name is Brighten, and I am from JHS 1. Today I will be explaining about multiplying and dividing integers. First of all, we need to know what integers are. Integers are whole numbers, and they were invented when math was first created. So, integers include the numbers such as, maybe you can say 1, maybe 5, 11, practically any. Now, the place where it gets interesting is where you have negative. When you have negative numbers, they count as integers since they still are in the line of the numbers. Here, this is an example. 0, 1, negative 1, negative 2, and 3. Okay, so we should see that 1 is the closest to 0. It includes negative numbers as well. 1 is the closest to 0. So if you're gonna try to differentiate like which one is bigger, negative 3 or negative 1, you should know the closest one to 0 is the bigger one. And then we have multiply and divide. Let's start with multiply. Multiplying is number, but there is a rule in multiplying. Multiplying, the first rule, minus times plus equals. Now the thing here, negative minus positive cannot happen since there is no in between. So you have to choose the one that's more, that's bigger. And then second.
Yes.
Alright, so when we talk about negative multiplying by positive equals negative, since both of them are different. Now, if the sign is the same, for example, negative times negative, it will turn into a positive because the same sign cannot be turned, cannot stay the same. It has to become the total. Okay, so this is going to be examples. Number 1. Let's say 7 times negative 4. Okay, it's normal. It's the average multiplying, but using these rules. So we know that the total is going to be negative. That means we're going to make it negative 28. Now the second, let's see, 42 divided by negative 6. Okay, 42 divided by negative 6. That would be the same, and it will become a 7. The rules apply to both multiplying and dividing. But when we come across the same, for example, let's say 11 times, negative 8, that would mean, since the sign is the same, okay, the sign is the same, then we should turn it into a positive. So, positive 88. Thank you.
My name is Hasan and today I'm going to explain expanding brackets. Expanding brackets is when you multiply the term outside with the term inside. So what you're going to do is just multiply A with A and A with B. Since this is equal to A times A minus B. Just multiply them both. A times A is A2. Here's square root 2. And A times negative B is negative AB since A and B is different. Another example from this is when you have A2 outside with a different variables. What you need to do is still the same like this, but the only thing you need to add is number 2 here. So 2A times 2 is x, since there's x here. And then just like this, you add 2A2 because they are both different. And just add B here. And the third example is still the same this, but the only difference is when there's another number here. So 4b times 2a plus 3b. It's the same like both of these, but all you need to do is 4 times 2, which is 8. And b and a, since it is different, all you need to do is just a and b. Why do I write a and b? Because I follow the way that the ABC is. 4 times 3 is 12. B is 2. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Brian. I will explain collecting electrons.
Mereka bisa menghadapi depresi dan depresi.